All right, we have a property we're walking through right now. Normally Sunday morning, this isn't what I run around in, but we just did holiday photos, family photos. So as long as I was out and about in a different area, I decided to book a couple showings and check out some properties. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and walk you through this one. Okay, so this layout of this house actually has the door to upstairs right here. So we're actually gonna check that out first since it's right here. Now for some buyers, they don't love this layout right here. In certain neighborhoods, historically, this is what a lot of the houses are laid out like. So we can usually overcome that with some of the choices we use throughout the rest of the house. So here, you can see we've got a bathroom. So we actually have a decent second story here. This ceiling height is a little bit low. So we would want to look at the cost of adding a dormer to get better ceiling height in that bathroom. We have a bedroom here on the smaller side, but really cute. Even the wallpaper, kind of cute. What do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Obviously it wouldn't stay, but over here, another bedroom, built-in desk. So there's a couple different layout options you could do with this upstairs. You could do the dormer and have 2 bedrooms, full-size bathroom with good ceiling height, or you could take all of this space and create a master suite, which might be a better option. Depending on the cost of the dormer, it actually might be better cost-wise too, so something to keep in mind. All right, living room. We have radiators. So that means we have a boiler, which means we do not have AC in this house. So that would need to be addressed. Another thing you can see here, these windows are original. So especially at the price point this house would be at for being renovated, you would need to replace the windows. The other side of the living room here, we have a kitchen. So not original cabinetry. The sink looks like it might be. But these cabinets are not. So at some point those were reinstalled. Back here, we have a breezeway, and we are connected to a 1-car garage, which again for some buyers might be a challenge. So when you're looking for flips or fixer-upper projects that are going to be valuable when they're finished, you want to make sure you remove as many barriers for buyers as possible. Here's bathroom. This would be a fairly easy space, but this would require full renovation. A lot of these cabinets are pretty worn. Got linoleum floors, tub. And again, with a bathroom, kitchen, anything where you've got plumbing, once you start messing with anything, then you need to bring everything up to code. So over here, really big bedroom, really blue walls, blue carpet. So if we made that room upstairs, those 2 bedrooms and bathroom, a master suite, then we could keep these 2 bedrooms on the main floor, which would be sufficient here. And honestly, we've got really beautiful hardwood floors that are in decent shape, so that's a good thing. All right, I'm gonna check out the basement now. This is another thing from the checklist. You wanna look at your basements if you live in areas with houses that have them and see if there's any opportunity for more finished space. This is finished, but a lot of times when you have this kind of paneling on the walls, the basements can still be chilly because there's not sufficient insulation behind them. And then we've got the drop ceiling here, which most people prefer some type of a drywall. So even though this is finished, we wouldn't keep this, we would take this out. It's got baseboard heaters, we run duct work, we would do new lighting. You can see there's not any vents, which is why we've got these radiator heaters. Over here, linoleum floors, so we'd want to get this out of here. This basement actually has a ton of space. The ceiling height is a little on the lower side, so you'd always want to check building code for your area and see what counts from ceiling height, floor to ceiling, floor to joist. And there's just a storage area back here. So this house, actually, you could add a bedroom down here, you could add a bathroom, and you have a nice family room as well. And if you opened up this other side of the staircase, it would actually feel a lot more spacious. And then just redo the laundry room as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back here, see if I can. So there's the boiler. So that is something you would want to replace. Obviously, when we replace the boiler, we're putting in a furnace with ductwork instead, and then we could also add the AC, which for a lot of people will be something that could be a real benefit to the buyer. So lots of different options. I'm just gonna peek outside too so you guys can see the outside of the house. Because whenever you're walking through a fixer-upper, it's easy to get caught up on the inside stuff and how great that can be and what you can do with that. But it's easy to forget about that. So, step out there, take a look at some of those bigger ticket items. Okay. So you can see here, the shingles seem to be in good condition. The siding seems like it's okay. Now, once you clear up some of the brush, you might see something different that you would want to address. Obviously, replacing the windows. So when you replace these older windows, you can see they've got a completely different mechanism. So when you replace windows and put new ones in, you're gonna have the wrap around, the aluminum wrap. So you're gonna have to make some exterior repairs just because of the windows. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a little overgrown over here. So, yeah, but the siding for the most part actually seems to be in pretty good shape. So, something to check out. And so, this house actually has some potential. It's on a block in a more up-and-coming neighborhood, and there's some new construction going on too. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Could be cute. We'll see what happens. Honestly, I'm gonna check out the numbers and see if it makes sense to buy this one. So, all right. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to any other houses today, but I'm really cold. So I didn't have a coat, so. All right. Well, thanks for coming on the tour with me. And I'm just gonna take some measurements, run some comps, and I will let you guys know if this is a project that we decide to go forward with.